Hello, beautiful you. Before our class, before we start, I would like to invite you to my website, eileendavid.com, where you can find my practical yoga mini courses. Get them as a bundle or individually. These courses focus on yoga off the mat. So how can we apply yoga to our everyday lives where it is truly important. Yeah, our classes address our physical needs and of course extends to our psycho-emotional needs as well. But the practical yoga mini courses apply all of those benefits to our practical lives, to our everyday lives. And of course, they also support this little yogi because while our classes here in our channel will always be free for you to access, for you to do anytime, anywhere, that's what YouTube is, the making of these lovely classes are not free. So they are not free to make. And if you are so inclined to support the continued creation of our classes so that we can collectively reach a lot more people and unite all of us into the benefits of this very lovely practice applied in very practical, deconstructed, demystified, and belief-neutral ways. Please do so if you are able to. All of my links are in the descriptions in all of our classes. They are also under the more information on the channel and of course on the website itself. That's eileendavid.com. Thank you very much for your kindness, for your compassion, and let's get on with your class, shall we?